Think guests just want clean towels and Wi-Fi? Think again. They want charm, the kind they remember and share. Discover how local touches, storytelling, and creative design can elevate your rental's brand and boost bookings at your rental. Ever walked past a house and thought, wow, I'd love to stay there? That's the magic of a local landmark. Now, what if your vacation rental could be that house? No, I'm not talking about building a castle turret or a koi pond shaped like Elvis. I mean creating a memorable identity that makes guests talk, share, and book again and again. In this episode, I'm going to explore how to turn your vacation rental into a local gem without emptying your wallet. Whether you're in wine country or a sleepy fishing village, you can carve out a place on the map and in your guests' hearts. Create a story. Guests don't just want a bed. They want a story. Something to post, brag about, and maybe even tattoo. Okay, maybe not a tattoo. Give your property a name with character. The Nest, Sunshine Haven, the Old Bait Shop. A quirky backstory goes even further. Maybe the cottage was once a writer's retreat, or an old barn door came from a local saloon. Even if it's part legend, guests love the lore. In Mastering Vacation Rentals, Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business course, we talk about personal branding as a magnet for direct bookings. Stories are part of that brand. Imagine this. A guest walks into your vacation rental and their eyes light up. They take in the perfect blend of comfort, style, and care, and they know they found something special. But getting there, that's the challenge. That's why we created Start Strong, building a successful vacation rental from the ground up. This course isn't just information. It's your blueprint for creating a rental that stands out and sells out. Transform your vision into reality. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to success today. Use design to set the mood. You don't need a 30,000 rental to create a vibe. One signature design element, a vintage jukebox, a mural from a local artist, or a garden with twinkling lights can turn the average space into a wow moment. Keep it Instagram-worthy, but practical. That red velvet couch? Great. Unless the guest feels like they're sitting on a lobster trap. Aim for balance between unique and comfortable. Tap into the local culture without looking like a gift shop. Think local, not literal. You're in Vermont. Maple syrup? Yes. A wall of taxidermy moose heads? Maybe not. Support local artisans and feature their work. It's cheaper than designer decor and adds local flavor. Plus, guests love discovering something they can't get at IKEA. One of our owners in the course turned their back porch into a tasting nook using local wine barrels and tables. Total cost? Under $300. Return? Glowing reviews and bookings from wine lovers. Make your outdoor space do double duty. Want to impress guests before they even open the door? Tidy landscaping, cozy seating, and a fire pit go a long way. Paint the front door a bold color. Add a chalkboard welcome sign with the guest's name. Boom! Instant curb appeal. And here's the kicker. People take photos and tag you. That's free marketing with marshmallows. Encourage community and connection. A local landmark connects people. That could mean a shelf with local guidebooks, a list of your favorite dive bars, or even a guest book with doodles and tips from past visitors. One host had a mini museum of misplaced flip-flops by the door. Guests laughed, contributed, and remembered. Hosting should bring joy, not just job lists. Get the 7-day vacation rental jumpstart download. 7 bite-sized steps to a rental guest's rave about without burning out. Get your copy now. You can find a link in the show notes. What's the one thing that you've done to make your property more memorable? Drop it in the comments. Here are your 5 key takeaways. A story gives your space soul. One standout design feature is enough. Local doesn't mean kitschy. Your porch is a photo op waiting to happen. Guests love little surprises. You don't need $1 million to be a landmark. You just need creativity, consistency, and a little courage to stand out. Make it personal. Make it fun. Make it yours. Because when guests remember your place, they return, and they bring friends. Want to dive a little bit deeper? Check out the Mastering Vacation Rentals Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business course for real strategies that work. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.